So minimum reflux ratio is to be found using the simply one point like the intersection of this Q line with the equilibrium curve and the distillate composition. So only this much data with that minimum reflux ratio we are going to find. Okay. So now let us see this curve. So this is your what is it? This equilibrium curve. Okay. Of course, here we have this zero. Okay. And these are all simply 100%. One here and XD, which is nothing but the distillate composition. So distillate composition is simply marked on this, and feed line will be, of course, the feed line. The starting point for the feed line is again at the x equal to y. For the minimum reflex, this condition like your Q line, enriching line, and equilibrium curve all are meeting at a single point. So that is one of the condition for the minimum reflex. So at any other reflex, of course, this equilibrium enriching line will pass through like this. So in that case, it is not going to hit at this. These 3 points will not be merged. Instead, you'll be having this. So of course, equilibrium. Say this Q line and the enriching line are going to meet. So now we have this point as well as this point available for this enriching line. So simply using these two points, we can easily get a line. No? So you need to simply get this reflex ratio using these two data points. Okay, let us see. So the equation is of the form y equal to mx plus c. We have these two things. So using this, you can get the slope and intercept. That is simply a simple job. So once the slope and intercept are available, so you have this equation. So what is needed is you have to solve for this thing. So otherwise we have this equation. Simply get this equation equated to, or is simply get the value of y for x equal to 0. That's it. Simply substitute x equal to 0 and you'll be getting y value, that is the value of xt by r plus 1. Here in this case r is rm, what is called as a minimum reflex. Okay, so we are solving for this minimum reflex, that is answer is simply equal to 1 in this case.